In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Stripe payout schedule. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, so you can control how often funds are sent from your Stripe account to your connected bank account. This is a useful setting to review if you want more predictable cash flow, or if you simply prefer to manage payouts manually instead of automatically. Start by logging into your Stripe account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the dashboard and click the settings icon. From there, open Business Settings. This is where Stripe keeps many of the account-level options related to payments, banking, and account operations. Next, click on Bank Accounts and Currencies. On this page, you'll see the banking details connected to your account, along with payout-related settings. Take a moment to find the Payout Schedule section, since that's the area we'll be updating. When you've located it, click Edit. This will allow you to change how and when Stripe sends your available balance. You can then choose your preferred payout schedule based on how you want your funds handled. At this stage, select either automatic or manual payouts. Automatic payouts are a good option if you want Stripe to send funds to your bank account on a regular schedule without needing to do it yourself each time. Manual payouts, on the other hand, give you more direct control over when payouts are initiated. If you decide to use automatic payouts, the next step is to choose the payout frequency. You'll typically see options like daily, weekly, or monthly. Pick the one that best matches your business needs. For example, daily payouts may help with more frequent cash availability, while weekly or monthly payouts can be easier for businesses that prefer a more structured accounting routine. If your selected schedule requires it, choose the payout day as well. This is especially important for weekly or monthly options, since it determines exactly when your funds will be sent out. Be sure to double-check this selection so it lines up with your preferred timing. Once everything looks right, click Save. This confirms your new payout schedule and applies the changes to your account. After saving, verify that your new payout schedule is displayed. This final check is important because it confirms that the update went through successfully and that your Stripe account is now set to pay out according to your chosen preferences. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Stripe payout schedule. Thanks for watching.